We are again, more of this investigating in the depths of the crankcase there to try and find that horrible noise. I've got a donor engine. I thought I might just spend a bit of time investigating and seeing what goes on in there. I split the case, 18 bolts. The 18th one there was a mystery. Where was it? The Haynes manual over there doesn't tell you. But of course it turns out to be this little fella here. There you go. That's the 18th. Split the cases. I have a feeling my awful, dreadful sound coming from engine number 2 may have something to do with this bearing. That one there. Now that of course is behind here somewhere, and that's where I think the sound is coming from. Let's have a go. Can't turn it like that. Need a 17. Here we go with 17. Let's see if I can do that now. If only I could find my glasses. That's the noise. The resistance seems to be on this left side here, behind this nut and these two pinions here. Yep, it may well be that bearing. So, when I've got to grips with this, what I might do is just simply swap that crankshaft and the bearings completely. It's all working. That's going, that's fine, that's no problem. That's going up and down with no resistance at all. Looks in good shape. I might swap that for the one that's in here. Well, let's have a go. By the way, I found when I split the cases a mystery pin dropped out. Oh, can't even pick it up. There it is. A mystery pin. Anyone know where that's from? Or is it something that the previous owners just let drop in the crankcase? More soon.